Everyone thinks the best-selling LED fairy lights are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Let's explore the top 5 options that stand out in a sea of sameness. Product number 1, Brightest 12-pack LED fairy lights. First up is the Brightest 12-pack LED fairy lights. Priced at just $8.49, this set caught my eye for being a bestseller, and honestly, it's easy to see why. If you want a magical touch to your decor without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. Each pack comes with 12 battery-operated lights that are 7 feet long, featuring 20 energy-efficient LEDs. They're perfect for setting a cozy mood at weddings, parties, or even just in your bedroom. The flexible silver wire allows you to shape them however you like, whether it's wrapping around furniture or hanging on walls. Plus, they're waterproof and have a battery life of up to 72 hours with included batteries. This means you can enjoy the twinkle indoors or outdoors without worrying about damage. Now, some people complained about the battery life not lasting as long as expected. Here's the thing though, for most casual users, the 72 hours is more than enough for short-term events or decorations. If you're planning a long-term display, you might want something plug-in. This is perfect for you if you love decorating for events or want to add a whimsical touch to your space. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can stay lit for weeks at a time. For the price, you really can't go wrong here. Product number 2, KSIPZE 100 FT LED strip lights. Next, we have the KSIPZE 100 FT LED strip lights, available for $11.99. This one is a favorite among users for its versatility and fun features. If you want to create a vibrant atmosphere that adapts to your mood, this is definitely a contender. You can choose from 16 million color options, making it great for parties or just relaxing at home. Plus, the music sync feature means the lights flash in time with your favorite tunes, which is perfect for creating that lively party vibe. With 38,900 positive reviews, many users rave about how easy they are to install and set up. However, some users mention that the adhesive might not stick well on all surfaces. Here's my take: if you're planning on using these in a place where you can easily mount them, that's not an issue. Just ensure the surface is clean and dry. This is perfect for you if you love customizing your atmosphere and enjoy hosting gatherings. Skip this if you're looking for something traditional and more subdued. For a fun, flexible lighting option, it's a great deal. Product number 3, Brightest 12-pack warm white fairy lights. Coming in at number 3 is another option from Brightest, their 12-pack warm white fairy lights for $8.99. This product is a close cousin to the first, but with a warm touch. If you want a cozy vibe, this is worth checking out. Just like the previous Brightest lights, these are also battery-operated and feature 20 LEDs on a 7-foot silver wire. The warm white glow is perfect for creating a romantic atmosphere, whether you're decorating for a wedding or just adding charm to your living room. Moreover, they're waterproof and safe to touch, which means you can use them without worrying about heat. It's really about creating that inviting feel in your space, which many users appreciate. That said, some users found that the battery compartment can be a bit tricky to close. Here's the thing though, once you get it right, these lights perform beautifully and add a warm ambience that's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're decorating for special occasions or want to enhance your home's coziness. Skip this if you need something that's more versatile with color options. For the price, it's a lovely value. Product number 4, YOEN 24-pack mini twinkle lights. Now let's talk about the YOEN 24-pack mini twinkle lights, priced at $9.99. This option offers an impressive quantity, which is great if you're planning a big event. If you need lots of lights to create that enchanting fairyland effect, this one's for you. This set comes with 24 packs of 7-foot lights, each with 20 tiny LEDs. The warm light temperature is around 3000 Kelvin, which creates a soft, inviting glow. The best part, they include 3 LR44 batteries that give you about 72 hours of lighting right out of the box. They have 3 lighting modes: fast, slow, and continuous, so you can really customize the ambience based on the occasion. Plus, they're waterproof, which opens up many outdoor decorating possibilities. However, some customers noted that the button for switching modes can be a bit hard to find. Here's my perspective. For the stunning look they provide, this minor annoyance is easy to overlook. This is perfect for you if you're throwing a large party or event and need lots of lights to create a magical scene. Skip this if you want a single string for a quick setup. They offer great value for a bulk pack. Product number 5, Momentum Fairy Lights Plug-in. Finally, we have the Momentum Fairy Lights plug-in, which is 33 feet long and priced at $8.99. If you're looking for a longer string to cover more area without the hassle of batteries, this option stands out. These lights feature 100 warm white LEDs and have a beautiful starry light effect that creates a dreamy atmosphere. Since they're plug-in, you won't have to worry about battery replacements, making them great for long-term use. Their waterproof rating is IP44, so you can safely use them outdoors as well. On the downside, some users mention that the plug is not waterproof. Here's the thing, as long as you keep that part protected, these lights can be a stunning addition to your decor without the worry of running out of battery. This is perfect for you if you want a long-lasting, beautiful lighting option for indoors or outdoors. Skip this if you want something that's battery-operated for flexibility. Overall, it's an excellent choice for a reliable and enchanting lighting experience. To wrap it up, we've seen the Brighttown packs that shine bright, the colorful KSIPZE strips that sync to your music, the warm charm of another Brighttown option, the bulk YOEN lights that create a fairyland, and the reliable Momentum plugins. Each one has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best. Happy decorating!